Welcome to Another Sai Academy, AFMC, Armed Forces Medical College, admission details, MBBS course, nursing courses, postgraduate courses, super specialty and PhD courses, PG diploma courses, paramedical courses, AFMC website www.afmc.nic.in. Another Sai Academy, admission going on for NEET, IIT JEE, NATA, BITSET, long term and short term course. Our focusing is best coaching, less fees, free materials, efficient faculty, individual focus on students, continuous assessment, digitalized classroom. Your success is our motto. Admission to MBBS course. Course duration. MBBS course 4.5 years. Compulsory rotating internship training 1 year. Internship training in selected service hospital recognized by Medical Council of India. Qualifying examination. 12th standard physics, chemistry, biology 60% of mark and English 60% of mark. 12th standard current students are eligible to apply. Age 17 years to 25 years. Must be unmarried. Marriage during the course is not permitted. Need UG admit card and scorecard 600 marks and above. MBBS course application fees for the test. General category, OBC category 1400 rupees. SC, ST, PH category 750 rupees. Application fees should also be paid online. AFMC MBBS exam pattern screening test. Test of English language, comprehension, logic and reasoning. Psychological assessment test, interview, medical examination. AFMC exam pattern and format. Total number of questions 200 questions. Time duration 2 hours. Correct answer each 1 mark. Incorrect answer for each wrong answer 0.25 marks will be deducted. Subjects and mark allocation. Biology, zoology and botany 50 questions 50 marks. Chemistry 50 questions 50 marks. Physics 50 questions 50 marks. Intelligence, logic and reasoning 25 questions 25 marks. English language and comprehension 25 questions 25 marks. Final score, written examination score plus interview marks 50 marks. Overall 250 marks. AFMC MBBS exam pattern interview document list. NEET UGC admit card and scorecard 600 and above. Application form of AFMC MBBS. Anyone identity card. Class 10th and 12th mark sheet and certificate. School leaving certificate. Transfer certificate. Migration certificate. Caste certificate. NCC certificate. Certificate of extracurricular activities. Passport size photograph. AFMC MBBS exam pattern medical examination. The candidates who have been declared medically fit by the designed medical board at the time of screening for MBBS admission. Candidate who will be declared medically fit will further be eligible for AFMC MBBS admission. Number of admission in AFMC course name, seat intake. MBBS total number of seat 150, 125 for boys, 20 for girls. 5 NRI seat. AFMC nursing courses details, particular and details, exam name, Armed Forces Medical College exam for nursing. Category undergraduate, level national, mode offline, pen and paper test. Total number of question 180, duration 90 minutes. Question type multiple choice questions, medium English. Courses offered through AFMC Nursing 2021. Courses capacity and duration. Basic BSc Nursing 40 seats 4 years. Post Basic BSc Nursing 20 seats 2 years. MSc Nursing 10 seat 2 years. Post Basic Diploma Certification courses in Operation Room Nursing 8 seat 2 years. Post Basic Diploma Certificate course in Orthopedic and Rehabilitation Nursing 6 seats 1 year. Post Basic Diploma Certificate course in Oncology Nursing 4 seat 1 year. Post Basic Diploma Certificate course in Cardiothoracic Nursing 4 seat 1 year. Post Basic Diploma Certificate course in Neonatal Nursing 4 seat 1 year. BPMT Bachelor of Paramedical Technology Specialization seat intake. Lab Technician 30 seats, Radiographic Technician 15 seats, Radiotherapy Technician 5 seats, Cardio Technician 5 seats, Neuro Technician 5 seats, Blood Transfusion Technician 5 seats, Optometry Technician 5 seats, Perfusionist 5 seats, Operation Theatre Technician 10 seats, Endoscopy Technician 5 seats, Community Medicine Health Inspector Emergency Medical Services 5 seats. Eligibility criteria 12th standard 50% of marks physics, chemistry and biology. AFMC Nursing 2021 eligibility criteria. AFMC Nursing 2021 eligibility criteria. The candidate age should be between 17 to 25. The candidate should have finished 12th or equivalent plus diploma in general nursing with experience 2 years. 10th standard plus 3 years diploma in general nursing midway and have experience in 5 years in the profession. Candidate must have an aggregate of minimum 50% of mark in the qualifying examination. Candidate should have an Indian national citizen to apply AFMC Nursing 2021. Document required for AFMC Nursing 2021 application process are mentioned below. 10th standard mark sheet, 12th standard mark sheet, date of birth legal proof, official nationality certificate, official character certificate, official category certificate, parent income proof. Application form is 750 rupees. Exam center in capital city of the states. AFMC postgraduate courses. For postgraduate and super specialty program, application are invited in the month of July and September respectively. For MD, MS programs, admission will be based on qualifying score obtained, merit based followed by NEET PG entrance exam score. MD and MCH admission is based on conducted by National Board of Examination. Aspirants should be medically fit as per the prescribed standard by the Ministry of Defence, Government of India for admission to PG programs. Foreign medical graduate candidate need to clear the foreign medical graduate examination screening test. Candidate must produce the FMGE pass certificate issued by the NPE on the day of the examination. MD specialization seat intake eligibility criteria. PG நீட்ல எவ்வளவு ஸ்கோர் வாங்கியிருக்கீங்களோ அதை பொறுத்து சீட் அலோகேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்கோம், நம்பர் ஆஃப் சீட்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டோம், ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்காங்க. MD MS ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் சீட் இன்டேக் எலிஜிபிலிட்டி கிரைட்டீரியா. பிஜி நீட்ல ஸ்கோர் பண்ணதை பேஸ் பண்ணி எம்டி எம்எஸ் சீட் அலோகேட் பண்றாங்க. டிஎம் அண்ட் எம்சிஹெச் சீட் அலோகேஷனும் பேஸ்டு ஆன் நீட் ஸ்கோர். பிஜி டிப்ளமோ ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் சீட் இன்டேக் எலிஜிபிலிட்டி கிரைட்டீரியா. மெடிசன் முடிச்சுட்டு நீட் பிஜி எழுதிருப்பீங்க, அதை மார்க் பேஸ் பண்ணி ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷன் வைஸா சீட் அலோகேட் பண்றாங்க. AFMC admission 2021 for MSc Nursing, MSc Anatomy, MHA, PG Diploma. Course name, seat intake, eligibility criteria. இதுல UG பாஸ் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க, PG நீட் எழுதிருப்பீங்க, அதை மார்க் பேஸ் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு கோர்ஸ் அலோகேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்ளிகேஷன் ப்ராசஸ். Candidate need to register for NEET PG. Application fees for the test General category and OBC category 3,750. SC, ST, PWD, PH candidate 2,750. Payment credit card or debit card or internet banking. List of documents required for admission. Admit card AFMC, rank card, provisional allotted certificate, original class 10th certificate, 12th mark sheet, UG certificate, caste certificate, PWD certificate, ID proof, passport size photograph. Armed Forces Medical College admission details fill up பார்த்தோம். நம்ம blog லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.